So the subject of the email is going to go to the title field, the body of the email to description, and so on. So this is why we have these fields here, and mostly because they're useful fields generically, right? It's not specific for this template.
Show them also how
Okay.
to add a view for this table, because the app could just be a view of the table as well, just to show the other way around.
Yeah, cool. So one thing that I can do now is click on views, and add a separate view here. So you can see that it's pulling apps and actually components from apps that I've already created, or I could create a different view. So for example, I could create a new Kanban view, but in this case, I already have a Kanban board for this process. It's this one in dynamic queue. So it automatically detects that I have this, and then I can just go to it, for example, and add it to the table. So if I go back here and click here on dynamic queue, I think I pulled a, yeah, no, that's right. So it's getting information from this component that I already have here. So we could always have the table and then a specific app that I'm pulling information from. So we could have this all centered on just on the table, right? So okay, I've talked about title, I've talked about description, email, and attachments. There's also a single option field for status, and you can see that this is just a field that I've created to set the Kanban board's columns, right? So I have status, I have triage, in progress, done, and if I look at this, those are the columns from the Kanban board. So this is why this field exists.